Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's Rita. This is week 5 of our Lenormand series. Today we're going to be talking about cards number 25 through 30. So here we go. Card number 25 is the ring, and the ring is about contracts, commitments, promises. It could have something to do with marriage, cycles. Next comes card number 26, which is the book. And the book is about secrets, things that are unknown, things that are unrevealed. In addition, it has to do with projects, research, and knowledge. That's card number 26, the book. Card number 27 is the letter, correspondence, mail, certificates, licenses, written information. This is all kinds of written information and documents. Oh, one more thing. What the difference between the letter and the writer is that the writer is about oral communication and the letter is about written communication. The writer brings the letter to the recipient as well. Okay, so there's a little variance there. So that's card number 27, the letter. Next we have the man, 28, and the woman, 29. And these two cards are the same thing. They indicate people, and that's it. If you're a male querent, if you're the person getting your cards read and you're a male, then card number 28 is you. If you're a woman and you're getting your card read, the card number 29 is you. And then the opposite sex, whether you're a man or a woman, is the most important person in your life regarding that question. Okay, so for example, let's say you're talking about work and the man and the woman come up. So the woman is you, the person that's getting her card read, and the man might be her boss, or it might be the interviewer if she's going for a job. So it's the most important man regarding that question. Okay? So those are the only meanings for these cards. You or the other person. That's it. Okay? Then comes card number 30, which is the lily. And the lily is about maturity, wisdom, peace, satisfaction. It has to do with seniority, retirement, wisdom. This is a very mellow, zen-like card. It's just very, quiet. It's peaceful, okay? And that's the lily. It also has to do with sensuality. Not sexuality, sensuality. This is a very sensual card, okay? So let's do a few combinations like I like to do so that you can get to see how the cards operate and how they work with each other. So here we have card number 25, which is the ring, and card number 26, which is the book. Now remember, the ring is about engagements and promises and commitments and things like that, and the book is about secrets, things that are unknown, things that are hidden, things that are yet to be revealed. So this could be a secret engagement or a secret alliance. The ring is an alliance. It could be a secret alliance or a secret partnership. Okay? Then we have the book and the letter. And the book could just be a book, right? We learned that one of the meanings for the cards is literal. It could be a literal book. And then we have something that's written. So this could be a ledger. It could be a diary. It could be a notebook of any kind. Okay? Then we have letter and man. So the letter is a letter and the man is a man. So perhaps you're going to get a text from this person. Perhaps you're asking about someone else and you get the letter. So you may receive written communication from him. Okay. Worst case scenario, it could be a subpoena. So it all depends on the context of the question, okay? So now you have the man and the woman, right? These are two people. This is you and someone else, right? If you're a woman, then card number 29 is you, and the man is the most important man in your life regarding the question. Now here, they're not looking at each other. They have their backs to each other. That means they're not speaking. They're not seeing eye to eye. There's something going on with them that they're not communicating. But here makes all the difference in the world. This indicates that they are speaking. They are seeing eye to eye. They are communicating. This is a technique that we use later on when we start using method of distance. Method of distance comes later on in your readings where the cards have, they speak to each other depending on where they land in the spread. And this is a good example of method of distance, okay? Now let's say, for example, you have the ring. Okay, so now you have the woman, the man, everything is hunky-dory, they're speaking, everything is cool. And now you have the ring in the middle. This is great. This means that they're in agreement, they're in harmony, they're totally in sync, okay? Going with that flow. So depending on the question, this could even be an engagement or a proposal of marriage, depending on the question, okay? That's very important, the question. If you're talking about work, the cards are not going to start talking about your love life. They answer your question specifically, okay? So let's say it's about work and you want to know if you're going to get the job. Yeah, you're going to get the job, okay? There's a commitment there. All right, so now we have the woman and the lily. So any card that's next to the man or the woman card will totally describe this person's personality. That's, this is the easiest card to interpret because the card next to it will describe your personality, okay? So you have the woman card, and then you have the lily. So this woman is mature. She is wise. She's probably a senior of some sort. Maybe she has seniority. This is a very Zen-like card. She could also be very sensual. Okay. So the woman and the lily. So that wraps it up for this week. So next week we'll be doing cards number 31 through 36, and we'll be finishing up with our cards. There were 36 cards to the deck. And please let me know in the comments if there's anything that you want me to talk about, if there's any questions that you might have that you want me to clarify. Someone did say that she wants me to do like spells with cards. I can do that, and I can show you a simple spread that would be nice to use as a magic spell. Okay. So if there's anything else you want to talk about, if I wasn't clear about something, let me know. Please like and subscribe so I can keep doing these. And until next time, take care.